Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can record your screen using Filmora. In order to do that, first you have to download the Filmora app from Play Store if you haven't already. After downloading the app, open it. Then you'll see a home screen, something like this. Simply tap on the video you want to record. After you tap on the video, you'll see many options on the bottom of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on an option called audio, then search for an option called record, which is right next to extract audio. Tap on it. After you tap on it, a pop-up will open. To record, simply tap on the red button and you will start recording your home screen. Filmora might ask you for permissions of microphone and files. Simply go ahead and allow it, and that's it. Now you guys know how to use the screen recorder from Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.